Here is the point of view if you are looking into our kitchen. We are still in the stages of packing everything up, but we are so close. So let's walk through some plans. Come along with me. So as you look to your right when you come in the kitchen, we currently have double ovens. While they're great on big holidays, we really wanted to utilize this space for storage. So in the new plans, you will see this fully extended to the window with an appliance garage, a charging drawer for all of our phones, iPads, junk, hopefully not too much of it, and then some pull out trays. We will be moving the dog bowls to the mudroom. Stay tuned for that project in the coming months, but I will then take you over to the range. We really loved this alcove when we got this house. We loved the entire layout, to be honest. So we really wanted to honor and feature this in some way. You will see a really nicely designed scallop details of trim work. We have low ceilings in here, so unfortunately we can't go super high with nice details and a shelf or anything, but it's still going to provide that design element, that wow factor, with some niches carved out and then usable cook space with a nice vintage style range. You're going to absolutely love that when you see it. I'm going to save some things for later. And then we really utilized drawers here for spices, pull outs, and this will be where our knives are, and then again the niches for oils, trying to keep it clean and usable. Over here we are maximizing it with cabinetry. The dishwasher is going to remain here so that we can fully access these cabinets, but you'll see just raising them up or moving this bulkhead. This used to previously upstairs be a bathroom, so all of this plumbing can come out because it's where our bed is now. So that will be really nice to raise these up. We are painting all of the trim to match the rest of the look of the house, color matching the cabinets in areas, and raising the stone all the way up. There'll be some space here for a sconce to add some warmth, and then we are doing some cafe curtains for privacy at night because you can see a little bit in from the street. We have a lot of privacy back here, but it's just kind of nice to feel comfortable in your kitchen when you're hosting, and it adds a nice design element. So this island, it has been great to have, but as you can see, we have little seating. It's going to be resized to the proper scale of the space and what you see in kitchens. We'll have some seating on this side. Our microwave will be hidden here, and that'll be a fun feature that I will show you with functioning cabinets underneath. So we'll have bar stools and then 2 stools tucked under here with the hangover. The lights that I sourced are really nice vintage style with some beams that we'll have going across, and then a paneled fridge with cabinetry all the way up to the ceiling and a nice fun piece here. So shout out to Intuitive Design for thinking through all of that. While all of this is going to be such a transformation, this space is going to really come to life. We are going to be removing this, fixing this bulkhead. It used to house upper cabinetry that we took down because it was just in the way and made everything feel very enclosed. So this will be evened out and then framed down here with this similar bump out to where we can house a nice floor to ceiling cabinet, have another area for hosting and storage, and then, like I said, opening this up to a built-in bench that's going to go around the entire U-shape here. A nice long table, tons of cushions, pillows, cafe curtains, a statement chandelier, and then on this wall we're going to feature a frame TV, some wall detailing with paneling to really just make this a functional space for game days. If we have children that are hanging out, right now it's so separated when we host, so we love the idea of adults in here, girls and boys over there. I guess I should say women and men. But it just brings everything together so that we're not separated in the living room and gives us another place to sit down and eat as a family as opposed to the island. So if we really wanted a walk-in pantry, we would have had to sacrifice a lot of layout things, and honestly, this gives us enough space. However, we are going to shorten it so that there's more optimal walking space through here, and then put on some nice stained glass doors. The glass will not be stained, the wood will be stained with glass, and some nice cool hinges. We'll trim it out and look lovely. And then one detail I'm most excited for is replacing this door with a Dutch door. It can get hot back here, especially when cooking. We love to hear the sounds of the street, our friends running by, whatever it may be. And honestly, a Dutch drawer is just everyone's dream. So I am so thankful that Great Eastern sourced one that was within budget, because they can be pricey, and just looking forward to getting that in here. In terms of other finishes, we're really balancing a modern, traditional cottage. Our home is a colonial style, and I truly believe that you need to lean into the style of your home or it just will never feel right. Luckily for me, this is what I knew I wanted and searched for. So really just trying to balance out things that we love, but leaning into something that feels like it was always here, which is super cozy. And everybody loves to talk about Nancy Meyers. That really is the direction that we're taking and what speaks to my soul. So lots of neutrals, warmth with pops of different metals, coppers, brasses, textures, really just leaning into, like I said, the timeless nature of it all. So come along with us. I will be sharing demo day to what's going on every day here, to selections that I've made, or makeshift kitchen, whatever helps you if you are going through or considering doing kitchen renovation in the future. And we are just really looking forward to getting started on Monday. I'm gonna go finish packing up, but thank you for listening.